Hey everyone, my name is Victor Dwyer, and today we're going to be going through the top cold email marketing tools to reach out to people and verify email addresses. So, let's dive right in. We're going to be having an email, a actual Google Sheet of the top research. This has the top tools, the top services, the top softwares of all the latest tools out there. But today we're going to be going through cold email marketing tools. And if you want access to this sheet, it's going to be in the description below. But basically, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going through saying, okay, here are the latest tools right here, tool names, and then what are some of the features that each of these tools has. And this is the research that we did for our clients. And I was like, hey, we have all this research. Why don't we just share this with the world? Like, there's no reason not to. So, this will give you the custom send time for the emails. So, what that means is you'll be able to actually adjust the send time within the emails to basically optimize it toward the best email sending time. So I really like that feature. It's one of my favorite. And also with cold email marketing tools, if you're using Gmail, I need to make sure that integration worked. Um, Campaign automation, like basically doing workflows and things like that. Personalized emails saying like, "Hey John, thanks for whatever you did." Like that's basically what personalized Gmail means, email means. And then support numerous email clients. Yep. Easy interface, meaning is it how intuitive is it? Automated A/B testing, which one does that? Reports, email verifier, email finder, drip campaigns, basically meaning that when people go to when people like open your email, for example, are they going to after 2 days you follow up? Like drip campaigns are these things like you view a blog post and like you send an email after the blog post, so they're engaged, they're primed. Like that's what kind of drip campaigns are. Um, my personal favorite is Snavio. This one, and the reasoning why is because it has the email verifier, very easy to use. I know it doesn't have the easy interface button, but the email verifier and the email finder were the biggest things for us, and it's pretty dang cheap on that piece. It just had a lot of features that we need to have like a mass email verifier, a mass email finder, and then basically scaling it out from there. There are certain things you have to do before you do cold email marketing. I would not recommend using your current domain. For example, I work at Piranha, and we are using piranha.com as our main domain to send emails from. Okay? Like normal emails. Okay? Like, hey, John, how are you doing? Type of emails. Okay? That's just normal, like normal communication. Mass email sending, I would never use piranha.com for mass cold email sending because these providers will actually block you from sending the emails if you send enough spam. For example, if I use piranha.com, so Victor at piranha.com, okay, I'm using that email in this case. If I send that out to 1,000 different people a day, Gmail and all these Outlook and all these providers are gonna say, "Hey, Victor at Piranha.com, he likes to spam a lot, and he's kind of annoying. I'm gonna start blocking Piranha.com. This domain is annoying." And what that does is you'll eventually be blacklisted to make it where even when you're trying to send a normal email from Piranha.com, from that email, it's still gonna block it. It doesn't matter if it's Victor at Piranha.com, Hannah Jed at Piranha.com. It doesn't matter. It's gonna block the entire domain. So it's going to attach everything to that entire domain. It's going to make it where none of your emails deliver. Very rarely, until they trust you again. So, with that in mind, I recommend we are doing all our cold email marketing under piranha.io. So that way, but what we have to do is we have to warm up that email. You can't just you can't just create a new domain and just start sending a million times. You have to warm up that email. You have to actually have people that are going to come in and send emails out to. Like, for example, the person that manages our cold email marketing, she's sending out to 20 people a day, and she's going to say, hey, I need you to open the email, I need you to read the email, and I need you to reply to it. So when Gmail looks at that, they're going to go, oh, this is a normal domain? Okay, no problem. I'll let you send out emails. And then the next stage is we have to start sending out very subscriber related emails. Okay, so they're not necessarily cold emails yet, but it's about 2 weeks of sending out to friends, okay, with a that cold email, and then about after that 2 weeks, about 2 to 4 weeks, we send only to subscribers. So these are people that specifically ask for this content, that want the content, and want to read this content. Okay, that is what we send it to next, and then after that 4 week marker, then we start sending out to cold email people that have never heard of us before. So be very careful. Don't get your domain blacklisted. Make sure your delivery rates are good. Snavio will make sure and verify your emails before you send them. So that's why we use Snavio. They will verify the emails before you send them out. Because, for example, let's say you get 100 emails and 50 of them are fake, and you send those out, it's going to dramatically decrease your deliverability rate. And you don't want that. You want to make sure they're all real emails that you're sending out to. So it'll verify it before you send it out. So it's perfect. So it'll actually verify the emails for you. Which is really, really cool. And they do it for really cheap. So my personal Stavio, I would recommend them. Hopefully that was valuable. I'm trying to. I think that's it on the cold email side. So yeah, let me know if you have any other questions with it. But that's a primary how to use cold email. Thanks.